Hi friends, welcome to Little Lamb's ABC World. We're going to meet two friends, Shyla, the messy kid, and Leo, the clean kid.
Hi, I'm Shyla, the messy kid.
And I'm Leo, the clean kid.
I like to leave my toys on the floor.
And I like to put my toys away.
Let's see how our choices affect our day.
Kids, it's snack time. Let's clean up. Remember, cleaning up after ourselves is important.
No, I don't want to clean. But Shyla, we have to.
Shyla, that's not a superstar choice.
I'm putting my toys away so we can have snack time. But I want to keep playing. We can play more after snack. Help me. I don't want to clean up yet.
But Shyla, it's a mess.
Snack time! Wait, don't get it dirty!
Shyla, please clean up first.
I don't want to clean up yet.
Messy spaces can be unsafe and stressful. Cleaning up makes home, school, and helping friends easier and safer.
Great job, Leo. Thanks.
What would you do? Would you make the messy choice or the clean choice? Think about at home, at school, or when helping your parents.
I want to learn to be organized.
Great. Let's start with lesson 1. First, put toys away. Then, clean one thing and ask for help.
I can do that. Dear God, you said in 1 Corinthians 14:40, let all things be done properly and in order. Thank you for our toys and our things. Help us keep them clean and neat. Amen.
Sure.
Great. Let's put them in the box.
Okay, this makes it easier.
Yeah, cleaning together is fun.
We're a good team.
All done. High five. All done. Now to clean the counter. Toy goes away. Let's sing the cleanup song together while we clean up. Clean up, put the toys away. Blocks in the bin, we do it every day. Cleaning up together makes the happy smiles on our face.
Shyla, you get the Super Clean Star Badge.
Wow, really? Thank you, Leo.
You earned it for being so tidy.
Yay, I'll wear it every day.
You look great with it.
Great job! Shyla and Leo learned to clean up and make superstar choices.
Thanks for learning with us.
See you next time. Like and subscribe to Little Lamb's ABC World for more fun learning.